Have you ever felt drained or negatively affected by the energies around you? Ever wondered if there's a way to shield yourself from this invisible onslaught? Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of the practical psychic self-defense course for home and office. Imagine being able to focus your energies despite being in the midst of stressful and chaotic environments. Picture yourself immune to psychic attacks, negative thoughts, and energies. This isn't some far-off fantasy, it's a practical skill that you can learn and apply in your everyday life. This course is designed to provide you with an understanding of how psychic attacks and weakening thoughts work. It's not just about knowledge though, it's about equipping you with the tools to shield yourself from the influences of psychic attacks and protect yourself and your loved ones from physical, emotional, and mental harm. But it doesn't stop there. This course also teaches you how to shield your belongings against robbery and physical harm. You'll learn how to use certain objects to divert the effects of psychic attacks and contaminations. Even more, you'll discover how to use the power of love to calm down an angry or irritated person. In the world of business, envy and competition can sometimes lead to negative energy. With the skills you'll acquire from this course, you'll be able to protect your business and finances from such envious competitors. And for those of you who are parents, this course offers invaluable tools for safeguarding your children's innocent consciousness from alcohol, cigarettes, drugs, and the negative influences of the outside environment. The practical psychic self-defense course is not just for anyone. It's especially beneficial for managers, executives, students, tutors, and parents, as it introduces effective ways of protecting oneself from the negative thoughts and emotions of others. It's also highly recommended for those who are determined in pursuing their dreams and achieving greater success. To enroll in this course, you should have previously attended the pranic psychotherapy course. This prerequisite ensures that you're ready to delve deeper into the intricacies of psychic self-defense. So why wait? Book your seat now and take the first step towards improving the quality of your life. Remember, the power to protect yourself from negative energies is in your hands. All you need is the knowledge and skills to wield it effectively. And that's exactly what the practical psychic self-defense course offers. So don't let the opportunity to empower yourself pass you by, and book your seat now.